Rainbow colors! Oh my god, so cool!
Playtime with Aiden and Club. Come play with us. Yay! 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 Yay!
What are you going to make today?
Lava
Lamb.
lamb.
Good job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What color do you want?
Rainbow.
It's coming! Oh, so scary! Oh! Wow! Okay, what are we making today?
We're making lemon.
Lava lamps, that's so cool! How many colors are we gonna make? Rainbow colors again? Okay, so we got the oil, Alka Seltzer, we got water, multicolours, and the bottles. No touch. Okay, no touch. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it, okay? Let's do it! Guys, now we have the first step is trying to put the water in the bottle first, okay?
Yeah.
Let's start with Claire.
Me first.
Yes, let's grab a bottle. Here. And then put the water in.
Okay.
Dump it. Whoa, that's lots of water. Next. Hey. Whoa, lots of water. Okay. Alright, now we're done with the water. Let's put the color in the water, okay?
I'm a blue and green.
You're blue and green? Okay, let's take out this and this. Put this clear with green, okay?
Yeah.
Let's put green in. Not too many, okay? Whoa.
I'm gonna make purple and orange.
Oh, okay. Put it down lower a little bit. Whoa, whoa. 2 more drops. 1, 2. I think we're good. Okay. Close it. Make sure don't get on your hand. It's super colorful. How about next one? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue, okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll make purple, don't worry. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're good. Close it. Good job.
That was this one.
Now, super blue. Alright. So, you want to make purple, right?
Yeah.
Aiden do red. Whoa. Okay, that's good. And Aiden, hold on. Let's see if it's purple. Okay, it's good. I think it's very dark. I hope that's purple. We'll find out later if it's purple or not. Now, Aiden turn.
This one.
Okay, Aiden, pour red. Your turn. 5 drops, okay? I think that's all you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's more than 5 drops. Oh, okay. You counted. Good job. Good job, Aiden. Ooh, red. Yes, yellow.
Yellow the mustard.
Yellow mustard? Good job. Yummy. Hot dogs. Whoa. Squeeze. Wow. Okay, I think we're good.
Wait, we get here.
Okay. I think we need a little bit more red. Let's try if we can get a little bit more red. Okay. Now, we're gonna make orange, right?
Yeah!
Like a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red. Let's try it.
And then got this.
No. Just yellow and red.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow and red.
Yellow, red.
Okay, I think we're good. I think you put a lot of drops. Okay, you do it. I think we need 5 drops, okay? Don't put too much.
Red.
Yep, red. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Is it orange? I think it's more like red. Let's put more yellow in. Let's put more yellow in and try it.
I put it right here.
Okay. Squeeze it. Okay.
Wow,
Let's
so
see.
pretty.
A little bit more. One more.
One more. Ooh,
Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. I think we got orange. Okay. Now we got all the colors. Let's put the color away now, okay? What's the next step? Oil. Now we got the oils already. Now we're gonna go reverse. Aiden go first, okay? Alright, Aiden, we'll put oil little by little. I'll hold it. Whoa. Lots of oil.
Open.
Now it's clear turn. Okay. Purple. Whoa, lots of purple. Okay. Oil. You have cooking oil on your head now. Very slimy. Slowly, okay? Dump it. Super duper cool. Mixing oil and water. Whoa, looks like ocean. Okay, put it down. Oil. Oh. That's awesome. Now we mix oil and water. It's so cool. Are you ready to put the Alka Seltzer in there and make it bubbly?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put one white one in each one and see what happens, okay? Let's go. Let's see what happens. Let's put it, let everyone might see. Go. Whoa. Aiden, put one in. That is so cool.
Whoa. Whoa.
Rainbow colors. Oh my God, so cool. Is it so cool?
Yeah.
Look at all the bubbles inside.
Wow. Look at your yellow one.
Bubbles inside.
And then look at the yellow one.
Look at the yellow one. And look at the red one and orange. So cool, right?
Wow.
Wow. That is super duper cool.
You guys want to see something even more cool?
Yeah, boys.
We're gonna turn off the light and there's a surprise for you.
Whoa.
Are you ready?
Oh, so cool.
Whoa.
Green one.
Whoa.
Whoa. So cool. Blue one.
And look at your lava lamp. Look at all the bubble.
Whoa.
Let's go to the red one. Red.
Whoa. Like this. Whoa. So cool.
Look, Eden, look. Eden, one more.
Whoa.
Everything.
Isn't it
Follow your
cool?
flashlight.
More surprise egg? There's no surprise eggs on this one.
Eden, look at your lava lamp.
You guys had fun today? You want to do it next time again with different experiment? Okay. You want to do surprise egg? Alright, we'll do surprise eggs next time, okay? Thanks for watching. If you like more experiments, please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Rainbow colors. Oh my God, so cool.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. Yeah.